how to become the best coder you can be. Whether you are just starting or you have been coding for a while, there is always room to grow and improve. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive right in. First question: what does it mean to be a great coder? It is not just about knowing a bunch of programming languages or being able to write complex code. It is about problem solving, creativity, continuous learning, and collaboration. Coding is like a craft, like any craft. It takes time, practice, and passion to master. So let's explore some key strategies that can help you on your journey to becoming the best coder you can be. Number 1. Master the fundamentals. The foundation of any great coder is a strong understanding of the basics. This means getting comfortable with core programming concepts like variables, data types, loops, functions, and object-oriented programming. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can add the fancy stuff on top. If you are just starting, pick one programming language to focus on. Python is a great choice because it is easy to learn and widely used. Spend time writing simple programs and don't rush through the basics. As we know, practice makes perfect. And if you have been coding for a while, it is always good to revisit the fundamentals. Sometimes understanding a basic concept more deeply can unlock new ways of thinking about problems. Number 2. Practice regularly. Coding is a skill, and like any skill, the more you practice, the better you get. Try to code every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. As we know, consistency is key. Work on small projects, solve coding challenges, or contribute to open source projects. Websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, or CodeWars offer problems that can help sharpen your skills. When I was learning, I set a goal to solve one coding problem every day. It was tough at first, but over time, I noticed that I was able to solve problems faster and with more confidence. Number 3. Build real projects. One of the best ways to improve by building your projects. This could be anything: a personal website, a simple game, a to-do list app, or anything that interests you. Building projects help you apply what you have learned practically. It also teaches you how to think through problems, design solutions, and debug your code when things don't work, which happens to all of us. Start small and gradually take on bigger projects. Don't worry about making it perfect. The goal is to learn and have fun, and you will have something cool to show off in your portfolio. Number 4. Learn to debug effectively. Let's face it, bugs are part of coding. Even the best coders run into errors. What is more important is how you handle them. When you encounter a bug, take a deep breath and break down the problem. Check your code step by step. Use print statements or a debugger to see what is going on. And don't be afraid to look up solutions or ask for help. Debugging is like solving a puzzle. It can be frustrating, but it is also incredibly rewarding when you figure it out. Over time, you will get better at spotting errors and fixing them quickly. Number 5. Read and understand others' code. Reading other people's code is a fantastic way to learn new techniques and improve your coding style. It exposes you to different ways of thinking and solving problems. Check out open source projects on GitHub, explore code samples in documentation, or review code written by your peers. Try to understand how and why the code works. When reading code, take notes on things you find interesting or techniques you want to remember. And if something doesn't make sense, don't hesitate to ask questions or do some research. Number 6. Learn new languages and technologies. Once you are comfortable with one language, try learning another one. Each programming language has its strength and can teach you new ways to approach problems. For instance, if you know Python, try learning JavaScript to explore web development or Java for building Android apps. You could also look into technologies like databases, cloud computing, or artificial intelligence. Learning new languages and technologies not only broadens your skill set but also makes you more adaptable and marketable as a coder. Number 7. Join a coding community. Coding doesn't have to be a lonely journey. Joining a community can provide support, inspiration, and collaboration opportunities. Look for local coding meetups, online forums like Stack Overflow, or communities on social media platforms. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your knowledge. Being part of a community helps you stay motivated, exposes you to new ideas, and can even lead to friendships and networking opportunities. Becoming the best coder you can be is a journey, not a destination. It is about continuous learning, practice, and passion. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Don't be hard on yourself. If things don't click immediately, keep pushing. Stay curious and most importantly, enjoy the process. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope these tips help you on your coding journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that follow button so you won't miss out on future content. I would love to hear about your coding experiences and any tips you have. Feel free to share them in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. Thanks for watching and happy coding.